students, this is one first question in the subpart third one. So this question is somewhat different. So why is it different means you can understand at the last. So already we have discussed when there are pair of lines, it can be intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. That means it have a unique solution or infinite solution or parallel. Parallel in the sense no solution. So if we have intersecting lines, you will get only one solution. So now let's see. So how the conditions for a coincident line. In a graph means we will draw the same line. Here how can you find by the result whether it is coincident or intersecting. So first as usual consider equation 1. Therefore 3x minus y is equals to 3. From this we can write y is equals to 3x minus 3. So transposing of 3 to LHS side and y to RHS side, it will give, let it be 3. Now substitute equation 3 in 2. Why? Because already we considered equation 1. So 9x minus 3 times of 3x minus 3 is equals to 9. So 9x minus 9x plus 3 plus 9 equals to 9. So finally we will get 9. See, if you observe, variable is not there. X value is completely eliminated. So in such cases, if the variable values eliminates, so definitely it cannot be intersecting. That means it can be coincident or parallel. So that how to differentiate. So if you get a condition like this, LHS part is equals to RHS without a variable, then it will be coincident. If there is without a variable and LHS is not equals to RHS, then it will be parallel. For that also I will give one example. So now here if you observe, here we can see 9 is equals to 9. That means LHS is equals to RHS for any value of x. Because x value is eliminating here, we can keep whatever the value of x. We will get finally this only because x value won't exist at the last. So this is always true. Therefore the pair of given equations has infinite solutions. So for any value of x and y is satisfied here. So we can take any value x and y. So this is always true because there is no variable part. So we can say that this is true for all the values of x and y. So this consists of infinite solutions. Therefore lines are coincident. Children, this is not the problem. Just I am taking one example to show how the condition will come in case of parallel lines. These lines are parallel because by comparing the ratios you can say 1 by 2 here, 2 by 4, again 1 by 2, this is 5 by 9. So what is the condition for parallel lines? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So these lines will follow this condition. So we can say clearly this is parallel lines. So if you substitute, if you do the suppose if you want to find out the solution, so actually there won't be solution. Suppose in case you forgot that about these are parallel lines, you forgot to check whether these are parallel lines. So you, as usual process you are doing, then how to identify after finding the solution? So same, it is as 1, this is 2. So now consider otherwise from 1 we can write x is equals to 5 minus 2y. Let it be 3. So consider equation 2. Therefore 2x plus 4y equals to 9. 2 times of 5 minus 2y plus 4y is equals to 9. 10 minus 4y plus 4y is equals to 9. So this will eliminate. So it means 10 is equals to 9 you are getting. This is a false condition. So here also without variable, but the condition is here false. So this type of case comes means it is parallel lines. So there will be no solution. if variable is not there but you are getting a true condition, then it will be coincident lines. They have infinite solution. We can take any x and y value. Here any x and y means the particular solutions. So here no solution.